we're making egg dipped bread in it, and dipping it in the flour, and as well frying it. So in this video you can see me breaking the egg. We will whisk the egg like I'm apparently breaking the egg, and in a moment I'll be mixing it. We're using 4 to 5 eggs in this video to make this recipe. So I'm scooping the flour inside a bowl. As you can see, I'm mixing the flour in the bowl after I added the ingredients. The ingredient I just added here is complete seasoning, and I'm trying to cut off some parts of the bread that I don't really want for this recipe. And thereafter, okay, right now I'm mixing the flour, trying to break the crumbs on the flour like I want my flour smooth. So apparently I'm mixing the sliced bread in the egg, then I dipped it in the egg, then put it on the flour. That is exactly what I'm doing right now. So put it in the oil, let it fry till golden brown. Put the next sliced bread in the flour, in the egg, I mean to say. Dip in the flour. Make sure the sliced bread is covered, totally covered with flour. One side is fried already, and I'm letting the second side or the other side fry as well. I'm making sure it's fried properly until it turns golden brown. Then take it out of the oil. You can see how crispy this looks. So fry another slice of the bread. After dipping it in the egg, whisk egg covered with flour, dip it in oil, hot oil, and fry. Alright, so guys, if you have watched up until this moment, this is Juliana Cooking channel. I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. I want you to share this video to as many people as you could if you have not done so. And I want you to comment on this video if you actually love this recipe. I want you to comment love this recipe, and I will do more of this recipe. So as you can see, I'm dipping my bread in the egg. Just continue the same process. Thereafter, you dip it in the flour, then you fry it. It's a very simple process. I'll do some more couple of eggs, up to 4 slices of bread. I'm making sure the whole part of the bread is immersed in the flour before putting it in the oil to fry completely. This recipe is healthy. This recipe is very delicious. If you don't want to fry your egg separately, if you don't want to eat your bread just like that, you want to eat it, mixed with egg and flour, you can try out this recipe. You will definitely enjoy it. To see how crispy it looks. This is the seasoning on the recipe. I use complete seasoning and salt for the egg before putting in the bread in it. So right here, I'm trying to grease the pan. I'm gonna be frying another egg separately, which we'll be using to eat this bread. So I'm breaking the egg, and here I'm using the yellow bell pepper. I'm using half of the yellow bell pepper. I just finished cutting the yellow bell pepper, and I'm hereby cutting the onions. So I'm putting all of these ingredients in the hot oil. I'll be frying meat in a very low temperature. I just added salt and complete seasoning. Then I go in with the egg, the whisked egg. I mixed it thoroughly. This egg is looking beautiful already. It's looking appetizing. So this is the egg we'll be using to eat this bread. So guys, our breakfast is ready. I want you to try this recipe at home and tell me in the comment section what you feel about the recipe. And again, do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I want you to give this channel a big thumbs up, and I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share it to your Instagram page, share it to your WhatsApp group. Yeah, this recipe is beautiful. It is delicious. It looks appetizing. So guys, it's bye for now.